Welcome to Cooking Dinner with Imogen. We are making thin spaghetti. I know, yeah. Right now my water is boiling, so we're gonna wait for that to happen. So our water has almost boiled. I'll give you a little up close view. So yeah. Wow. Oh, okay. I think that's boiling. So let's read the instructions. Okay, we're gonna put some pasta in. We're just gonna guess. I don't know, it's just me and Jake. I might as well just make the whole box though. And I spilled a bunch. I'll give you another up close and personal look at this pasta. Set a timer for 8 minutes. Good times never seem so good. Good, so good, so good. I didn't cry. Boom, boom, boom. So I'm gonna give you my opinion on Avengers Endgame. If you haven't seen the movie and you're watching this, I'm sorry. You're gonna get spoilers. How could Iron Man freaking die? Like, that's just not fair. It's freaking Tony Stark. It's Robert Downey Jr. How could they do that? I have so many emotions. Emma keeps making dirty jokes about Marvel characters and whispering in my ear and moaning in my ear. But that's a whole different story. So I'm stupid and forgot to start the sauce, so we're gonna do that now. I can never open these, so I'll just give them a good. And look, there you go. Oh, and our pasta's boiling over. I'm just an amazing chef. We'll put that on the lower. Look at that. I fixed it. So I don't really know how much sauce I should be doing. I kind of just poured more than half the thing out. That's probably too much. It's fine. We're gonna check our pasta. It's almost ready. That's what it is. So I think that means it's ready. Okay, cool. I think it's good. Oh jeez. Oh no. Uh-oh. We're doing great over here. I'm kind of making a mess, but it's okay. And I'm gonna get a special preview of Imogen's new cooking show. Again, because I'm hungry. I think I'm a great chef.